debut album, right?
That's right.
Yes. So
Thank you so much.
Tell me about First Injection. Tell me about the album.
First Injection is a well-made album by different producers. Mungu Africa, Uhuru, Mono T, Black Motion, Heavy K, Sir Javas, and Ringo Madlingos, and many other great producers, especially me, Dr. Malinga, and Kalawa Jasmine as a whole, and Universal. So it's a very powerful album. Like you dance a lot, but I also guide you to become a better person, to fight for your goals, while dancing. And then to believe in love again, because there are 11 tracks of which is house music, and then there is 3 songs, slow jams, I'll make you think about your lady. What a judge, yeah.
And in terms of the inspiration, what was the inspiration behind this album?
To be honest, I'm inspired by myself and my fans, because if they decide if I did something nice, I just grab that energy from my fans, and then I provide it back. Then they receive it well. So that's why I'm saying I'm motivated by my fans, because of they're the one who support me a lot. Yeah.
And you started off in 2012. I mean, when you became popular with Via Orlando.
I started with Casanova.
Casanova.
Yes,
okay.
The Casanova song. I was featured by DJ Choice, and then I went to Father to be featured by Black Motion. And then did Chiga featuring Mosquito. And then Via Orlando, Isn't Just Impilo. Many songs. I was featured, but I was visible. There are other artists, they are featuring them, but they are not visible. Especially on the DJ side, they will know, let's say for an example, they will know Black Coffee, but they will never know the singer. Yes. So me is a different story, because I'll make sure that you also know me, and then you'll make me a brand, yes.
And so if Dr. Malinga is not performing or recording music, what will we find you doing?
I love to watch TV, because of it's where I learn many things. Like your acting, your singing, your stage performance. I will check other people. Okay, say, oh, this is this, and then that's why I'm telling people that I'm from that school, self-taught school of talent. Yeah. Because I'm teaching myself. I'll relax with my family, and then just to absorb that power back.
What are your favorite TV programs? What do you watch?
Any station that is not Barking is cool, Gaston. Station is South Harapila. So any station that is good, but I even love musical programs, because of I'm a musician, and then also the movie and just Makarati and just to inspire the dance moves.
Who inspires you in terms of music? Who are some of your favorite artists? This could be locally, worldwide.
Let me be honest. Not out of anger or out of what, but I think I'm my own role model.
You're your own role model.
Why? Because of I'm always there for me. Sometimes you'll believe on those role models, and then they will hurt you. Some of them, they hurt me. Even though I come to them and say, my brother, you inspire me, they won't respond the way I want them to respond. It's like they don't want me here. So that's why at the end of the day I say I'm my own role model, because I'm always there for me. Even a long time I didn't have money for transport. If I don't have money for transport, I will travel with Dr. Malinga's leg and go there and reach my goals.
And what's your advice to an up-and-coming artist, someone who wants to follow in your footsteps? What's your advice to them?
I remember some of the artists, or some of the business people, or some of the achievers, they once advised me, Dr. Malinga, you can be whatever you want to be. When God creates someone, He creates everyone with a purpose. Malinga, you have a gift when you are born. You have that gift. Go use your gift. Never lose hope in life. Keep on pushing. And then guess what? I will open those doors, because if I can see that you are working, you want to make it in life, then I will just open this door. And then after opening this door, I will see that you are behaving well again. Then I will open other doors. As you see down now, Dr. Malinga is an actor. Soon I'll have my TV program, Dr. Malinga Live. Yes. What? You watching what? What judge? And then after that, I will do my radio show. After that, I will, that's God's way. You know, He's giving me. I have a Dr. Malinga Foundation, where I'm sponsoring. I'm giving bursaries to young ones to go to school to educate themselves. Yeah, I have 6 students now. Those are like I bless them with that certificate, bursaries out of my pocket. Yeah, there are no any sponsors. It's only Dr. Malinga's funds.
And where are you an actual doctor, or where did Dr. Malinga come from? The doctor before Malinga.
Doctor is my name. Goodwill is my other name. Malinga is my surname. So it's like a brand, you know. That's why I registered this name. Dr. Malinga.
And lastly, what is your message to your fans?
Guys, you're my friends. You're my family. You're my boss. You know, I love you so much. You keep me going by screaming or coming to my shows, downloading my song, playing my song, talking about me. You make me. Please don't break me. Thank you so much.